Welcome to the Auto Expert channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of 2025, the all-new Dodge Demon. Brace yourselves, because the power and design of this pickup are setting new standards in the automotive world. Let's kick things off with the engine. The 2025 Dodge Demon comes equipped with an aggressive, high-performance 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine. This is the same engine that made the Dodge Demon a legend when it first debuted, but for 2025, Dodge has cranked up the performance. Expect a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful pickup trucks ever to hit the streets. Whether you're hauling or racing, this truck can do it all, launching from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. This kind of power is unheard of for a pickup truck, but Dodge isn't holding back. But it's not just about the engine. The 2025 Dodge Demon is built to handle all that raw power. The suspension has been fine-tuned for maximum performance, ensuring that this beast sticks to the road like glue, even under extreme acceleration. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or the drag strip, the handling of the Demon will impress. Now, let's talk about the design. Dodge has given the Demon a bold, aggressive look. The truck sits low with wide, muscular fenders and a signature hood scoop that hints at the power lurking beneath. The front grille is redesigned for better airflow, ensuring the engine stays cool even during those intense performance runs. And let's not forget the interior. The cabin is a mix of comfort and high-tech features, with premium materials and a suite of advanced infotainment options, including a customizable digital display to keep you in control of all that power. This truck also features some of the latest safety and driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and automatic emergency braking. While it's a performance powerhouse, Dodge hasn't skimped on making sure you're safe on the road, too. Now, let's talk numbers. As we mentioned, the engine packs an incredible punch, but what really sets the Demon apart is its towing and payload capabilities. This pickup isn't just fast, it's built to work. With a max towing capacity north of 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity that'll handle your heaviest loads, this truck doesn't just dominate the drag strip. It's a true workhorse. The 2025 Dodge Demon also introduces advanced technology for performance enthusiasts. You'll find features like launch control, custom drive modes, and even a built-in data logger to track your 0 to 60 times, G-forces, and lap times. If you're a gearhead who loves to push a truck to its limits, this is your dream machine. As for the price, while it's still a bit of a mystery, experts predict it will be priced above $80,000, making it a premium option. But when you consider all the features, power, and performance you're getting, it's clear this truck is worth the investment. So what do you think of the 2025 Dodge Demon? Will it redefine what pickup trucks can do? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates from the Auto Expert. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.